Georgia Rose. I'm a senior getting my BFA in filmmaking at AMDA, and we're on set for my senior thesis film.
I'm Chloe Estabrook, and I am the writer and co-creator of Over My Dead Body. So today we are shooting the fight scene. I wanted to write something that was really crazy and hilarious, so.
Hello, Eleanor. You're late.
So my senior thesis is a short comedy about two sisters at their great aunt Shiva.
I'm going to kill you.
Your poor eating habits don't kill you first.
At least I eat.
And they don't get along super well. They fight in front of the entire family and end up making up at the end. The great thing about the AMDA film sets is that we really create such a community and we all get to work together.
That type of environment makes us all a lot closer.
One of the biggest parts about film school is the community you build. It's so important to have these connections. It feels like just a big family.